In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play shooting games on laptop without a mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If for whatever reason you don't have access to a mouse or you don't want to use one to play shooting games on your laptop, I'm gonna show you multiple different alternatives that you have to play any sort of game without connecting an external mouse. So to start, this is going to work for basically every single shooting game available. All that you have to do is choose from any of these options that I present here. So the main one, and that one that I would recommend if you are just trying to play casually, is going to be the trackpad. Now the trackpad isn't as satisfying as using a mouse, and it isn't as precise, so for shooting games where you want to play competitively, this might not be the best option. However, it is still a fair competitor, and because it is going to be built into your laptop, you don't have to connect anything. It is easy to use. You just open up your game and you swipe your finger across the trackpad. Most modern laptops will have a big trackpad with large surface area, and it is going to be suitable to get this done. Alternatively, if you would like to be a bit more precise, you can also consider using a controller. So the second option is going to be an external controller. Assuming that you have one, you can connect it to your laptop with a USB cable or wirelessly, and once it is successfully connected, most shooting games nowadays will automatically detect your controller and it is going to be usable. So you can use the joysticks to move around, control your camera, move your camera, and the buttons to do actions in-game, and with the triggers, usually you will be shooting. There is also one last option if you don't have access to an external controller and you don't want to use the trackpad exclusively, you can enable this option. This isn't going to be recommended, but essentially this will allow you to use your trackpad or rather your keypad, numerical keypad on the keyboard to control your camera. So essentially, these buttons will control the mouse, so you can use them to look up, look down, look diagonally, and so on. All that you have to do is go over to the accessibility options in Windows and enable mouse keys under the accessibility category. And once this is done, you can use the numerical keypad on the keyboard to look around. Like I said, this isn't recommended. The best option if you want to play competitively is going to be the controller, and if you don't want to use the trackpad and you don't have access to a controller, then sadly there's not much else that you can do. I hope I was able to help you on how to play shooting games on laptop without a mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.